Today I'm going to show you how to build an assortment of micro projects that will help enhance your LEGO MOC. The tutorial starts now. We're going to start off with a LEGO guitar amp because many LEGO cities have guitar players in them, but how many actually have amps? So the first thing you do is you take a 1x2 here and you place two of these dark grey bricks, followed by a grill. It doesn't have to be a shiny grill, I'm just using that to make it look good, but you don't have to use that. And then on the top, we're going to round it off with a 1x2. So the next thing we're going to build is a LEGO barbecue. So the first thing we're going to take is a 2x2 rounded plate. And underneath, we're going to take a stud, a 1x1 stud of any colour. And you're going to put that there so that the base can be rotated. I'll come to why we're specifically choosing that for the base when I finish building this. And the next thing is 4 1x1 orange, preferably transparent orange studs. And this makes the flames. You can replace them for grey or black studs if you want a smouldering barbecue. Or you can leave these studs out if you want an empty barbecue. And on top, you're going to take 2 of these grill pieces to round the build off. I'm now going to show you how to build a bedside table cabinet. The first piece is another of these rounded black 2x2 stud plates, actually. Take a 1x2, any colour will do, to brick there, and one of these sloped well, it's not actually sloped, but one of these pieces, I don't know the name of it. Put that on the front. It can be any colour, but for now I'm going to use a beige one to round the top off. One of these partially studded pieces. There you can see how it's going on. And then on the top you can also place a typewriter, or you can also place a phone and a light on top if you want to instead. We're next going to be building a picnic bench. So the first thing you're going to take is 2 of these 1x4 plates. And place two 1x2s. You can have the ones with a hole in if you want to. It doesn't have to be. I just think that that makes it look more realistic. You can change that if you want. You can either place the next 2 pieces, the 1x2s, on the bottom or on the top. I've chosen on the bottom for this. And 2 1x6 tiles. It's not really a tile, but I'm just using the official LEGO terms here. Finally, take one of of these 2x6 plates on top. And then finally underneath 4 round studs to go on the bottom. There you go, there is a picnic bench. Now the next. The next build is relatively simple. It's literally just a table with a cup and a parasol on. So we're first going to take one of these pieces. I don't actually know if they're still available or not, but I have this from an 80s set that I never got rid of. So you're now going to take a long pole, can be any length to go there. Now place the cup there. Any place will do, anywhere you want it. And then the parasol piece. This is limited edition. I'm not sure if it's still available or not, but there you go. That's the parasol piece, the final piece on top. That was relatively simple. We're now going to move on to the next two, which are a bit more complicated. The next thing is a single bed, a red and white single bed. So there's the first piece, a 4x6 plate, followed by a sloping 2x4 on top there. Two of these, or 2x2 tiles, or a 1x4. I'm just using these because they're the best I could get. And a 1x4 there. There you have 4 more there. 4 more red studs there. That one's a bit bigger than the other builds. I've used that in a MOC. There you go. Here we have the final build on our list. So this is a bed that I used in Beavis and Barthead's house. It's quite a realistic bed in my opinion. Slightly larger than the previous bed and further off the ground. So you're first going to take a 4x6 and a 2x4. Place them there. Followed by 2 of these 2x6s to go on the sides here. There you go. So that's the sheet that will go there. And the sloped piece there. One of those white sloped pieces again. And we're going to take 4 2x4 bricks and place them on the bottom along here. And so there you go, that's what it looks like. It looks like a relatively realistic bed in my opinion. It works well as a children's bed most of the time, or you can use it in any sort of hall of residence or place for place like that for a college or university where they do have single beds. And that is the last build on our list. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you all found it useful and you enjoyed the video if you're still watching now. Hope you find these builds useful in any MOCs. And that's everything for the video. So I hope you all liked it. If you want to see more like this, then make sure you subscribe with the notifications. to make sure you don't miss any future videos like this. That's the end. I'll see you in the next video.